Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope everyone's feeling good today. I just got to Fort Worth and pretty cold, wet, rainy here, but luckily I packed a squeegee on this trip. So yeah, I've been hearing a lot about this Dickies skate park. I've seen it come up since it's been, opened, I think like a year ago, something like that. And pretty sure Magnolia, the skate shop nearby, had been pushing for this for years, and then Dickies got involved and donated a nice chunk of money to help make it happen. So huge shout out to them. Joe Face, shout out to you. And yeah, looks like a really fun park. A lot of cool things here. Little China banks, stuff like that. This manual pad though, that's like the perfect height right there. And yeah, like just high enough where it feels like you're doing a trick, but not too high where it requires minimal effort to get a manual trick on it. So yeah, that is dry right now, so I'm gonna skate that, kind of push some water around, see what else I can make happen. But I'd like to see if I can get 10 manual tricks on that thing, so let's see if we can get them. Oh yeah. Ah. I don't know how I rolled away on that. Oh yeah, taking the last one. Oh, 10's a little more than I thought it was. I feel so off balance. Come on. This trick has high pre-mobility. That was very ugly, but I do not want a primo again, so I'm taking it. Oh. I haven't done that last one in a while, so it felt good to get one. All right, let's check out this little pump track over here. Yeah, look at this. I think this is the biggest piece of wax I've ever seen in my life. This is gigantic. So this trip has been a rude awakening for how bad I actually am at Slappy grinds. Just skating with all these guys that we go to all these spots and they're just casually doing all these tricks and they're so comfortable, and I'm like, I got no idea what I'm doing. I'm ollieing into my grinds and stuff. So it makes me want to set up a board just for that, a little wider, maybe some rail slide bars on there. But either way, I think I want to set up one day a week or something like that where I'm just skating the curb. But anyway, they got this nice bank to curb right here, so I think I'm gonna mess around on that and practice a little bit. Those are the ones I need to work on. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't get this. I don't know how to get on top. Almost went down. Might have to review the tape and come back to this one. How you fall so hard on the curb? I feel like Slappies are super deceiving. It's like low to the ground, oh, I'm just skating the curb. I feel like it's very easy to like miss your wheels and just get pitched. All right, let's mess around on this bank. This thing is perfect. This trick is so much harder on a bank than it is a quarter pipe. I think I gotta do it again. I felt like a ballerina when I was landing. Still didn't feel great. You know what I just realized? I don't think I flipped my board regular this entire trip until that kickflip manual. All right, let's see if we can get a kickflip feeble fakie on this quarter pipe right here. Yeah, maybe not. This concrete isn't very inviting. It's weird, with that trick you feel like you want to turn it a little bit so it gets in the feeble, but you really got to think about it like a rock. Like, and it just kind of turns a little bit on its own. Gotta flip a little faster. Could have been bad. I'm good. No, I got it. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right, just spoke to my tailbone and my hip, and they seem to think I should move this trick to a little bit of a smaller quarter pipe, so I think I'm gonna do that. Wow. Like, I know I'm trying to flick it straight, it just keeps overturning. That was crazy. I don't know why that was so hard for me to get. It's usually fairly easily for me, but probably because I haven't been flicking that much. I really had to think about it almost like a blunt. Like, just perfectly straight and then it was still rotating. That might just be a problem with my kickflips and the way I do it. I don't know if that's like a general strategy or not. I feel like transition, it naturally turns your backside and you don't get the same kind of snap because the transition's getting steep. So it tends to just drift backside, at least for me. What was your name again?
Victor.
Chad.
Nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you too. You mind if I film the 50-50?
Yeah. What angle do you want to get?
I'll follow you. We'll see how it looks.
Follow me? I don't know if I'll get it on first try though.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, that was it.
Almost.
Yeah. How long you been skating?
I mean, I'm getting back into it after like over 15 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
so
awesome.
Over
Nice.
2008, 2013.
Yeah.
Stopped skating till now.
Nice.
Yeah. So
Welcome back.
I think meeting you and Neen is a sign.
Take that. Nice. You grew up around here?
More that way,
Okay.
but they didn't have this when I was growing up as a kid.
Yeah.
So I would do like street skating. So I really like that we have this, and then there's one by my house now. So like kids can practice here instead of, you know,
Yeah.
getting in trouble and shit.
100%. When did this open?
A couple years back, I think. It's pretty recent.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's almost brand new, I want to say. Yeah, I was looking into like how I could, I don't know, maybe petition to get one built by the neighborhood I grew up in.
Yeah.
Because really the only skate spot there is this elementary school. And I mean, I get street skating is like a thing, but we also don't want people skating around. Like,
Yeah, you have the option.
yeah, the option there.
All right, later, man. Nice meeting you.
Later. Nice meeting you too, man.
All right, cool. Fun little session right there. I'm glad the weather held up. My back feeling like slightly better, but a couple of falls aggravated it, brought it back a little bit, but overall was able to skate way better than yesterday. Yesterday I was feeling really tight, but yeah, here in Fort Worth, going to be here for probably a couple of days and then going to Dallas, and going to finish this leg of the tour in Dallas at 4 Down Skatepark. So that'll be Saturday. Going to do a little contest, I think at like 6 p.m. and then doc premiere at 7. So if you guys are in the area, pop in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.